Hi everyone, this short tutorial is going to go over opposing viewpoints. So I'm here on the MLK Library homepage. I clicked on Search Periodicals and Databases. We just went over this one, Academic Search Complete. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on where it says Opposing Viewpoints. And as you can see, it opens up to this search bar right here. I'm going to click on Advanced Search, and then I get more search bars to use. So I'm going to put in some of the same keywords that I've been using because those have been working well for me. If I get stuck, then I try other keywords from my list, okay? So I typed in bullying and high school students, and now I'm going to click search. And up here, it tells me all the different resources that they have. So here's newspapers. There's 269. There's 14 academic journals. There's 34 magazines. So those are all, that's a really good search string that I use to find some stuff. Now let's see if it actually has things that go with my research question. Let's see. So here it will say academic journals. Let me click on this one. Okay, that looks good. Up here at the top, that's where you get the permalink. Click on that. You can do the citation. You can send it to your email. You can print it. Let's go down to the bottom. There's also usually a citation down here as well. And then here's all the references. So this one looks like a decent article. I would use that. Let me see what else. So let me click on academic journals and see what is out there. And I could get all my searches right here. I could get 2 academic articles, 2 magazines, and 1 newspaper, all just right in here. So then let's go over here to newspapers. And I would just scroll until I found something that I think would fit my research question and where I want to go with that in my paper. I could also look at the magazines, student bullying, bullying and victimization rates. So there's a lot of stuff in here. So opposing viewpoints is a good source to find a lot of things. There also have statistics if you're doing a paper and you needed something to put a statistic into. You could just go there, copy and paste that, put it in your paper. Let's see, there's some other good viewpoints. These are articles where people take a stand on one or the other side, the pro or the con. References, this would be great for background research. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff on here. This is a great resource tool. Over here on the right hand side is where you can filter things. You can do the publication date, 2010. Let's see, to 2020. Let's go there, click apply. Let's see, you could do document type, publication title, and there's all kinds of, you can search within, just like you did with the ebooks. But most everything is up here at the top. The publication date would probably be of more concern as far as filters, but you can just click on any one of these. And let's see, I think for opposing viewpoints, that is it. I'm going to move on to another tutorial website now. If you have any questions on this, email me.